Roseneath St is built on the land of the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation. The building is located in Clifton Hill on a former brownfield factory site, which is around 4 kilometres from the Melbourne CBD. This project was completed in 2018. It is 49 apartments and 18 townhouses. The design focuses around fostering a strong sense of community. We completed a number of surveys and design presentations, and that information fed directly back into the design. This allowed the design to respond to the requirements of the end user, allocating resources where they mattered most. Examples of that include the bike workshop, which has a space for you to repair your bike, to do DIY jobs, and it also includes a communal laundry. Despite everyone having a laundry within their own apartment, allows you to have access to a commercial washer and dryer. We've located this next to the residence entry and lobby, so it's a place where you can walk past on your way into the apartment and chance for interaction. On the first floor we have a communal room with kitchen facilities. This is a shared space and envisaged to be an extension of everyone's living area, and overlooks Roseneath St, extends out onto a barbecue terrace and herb garden. Located on each side of the apartment building between the apartment and the townhouses, we have 2 raised linear communal gardens. These act as pedestrian streets, allowing residents to walk to their apartment through these gardens. The decision was to not gate these and have them as an extension of the street and an implied privacy through the change in height. I live here with my partner, our greyhound and our budgie. The apartment is located above the existing Brutalist facade, and the front door is accessed via an external open air walkway. The apartment is north facing. The apartment is open plan living. We've located the kitchen on the side wall to allow flexibility in furniture placement. The kitchen joinery is a restrained palette of charcoal joinery with accented timber overhead cupboards. The bench top is marble and has been sized at 800mm deep to allow enough space for appliances and food preparation. The kitchen has gas cooktop, oven, integrated dishwasher and fridge. There's also a full height pantry with pull-out pantry drawers. We have dedicated space within the pantry for appliances to minimise visual clutter. We've designed an aluminium shelf to run the full length of the kitchen to house small objects and allow you to personalise the space. There is also a laundry which is integrated into the kitchen joinery. The living area abuts the balcony and is separated through large double glazed sliding doors which extend out onto the balcony. The biggest feature I think is the sliding door, because it allows us to fully open up the bedroom to the living area and extend the sense of space and light that is available. We like to leave it open and allow as much light and volume into the space. The balcony runs full length of the apartment, which allows both the living room and the bedroom to open out onto the balcony. The apartment is north facing. We have provided deep eaves to ensure that there is full shading during summer and allows winter sunlight to penetrate into the apartment. The design of the balcony has allowed for significant planting to be placed just behind the balustrade line, offering a green outlook from within the apartment. In the bedroom we have full height robes all the way to the ceiling, maximising the storage within the 1 bedroom apartment. We designed a small study space that runs behind the bedroom. This study space is designed to accommodate 2 desks so that we can both work from home. Because the study is located behind the bedroom, it shares the ability to be enclosed by the flexible sliding doors. So at the end of the day, we shut down the study and it's separate from the rest of the apartment. The bathroom is a restrained palette. Because it's a small space, we want it to be visually uncluttered. It has white mosaic tiles on the walls and a pop of green colour on the floor. The bathroom has a vanity and mirror cabinet with extra storage, and the finishes echo that of the kitchen joinery. From a sustainability perspective, we installed solar panels on the roof, which powers all of the communal facilities within the building. There is water storage tanks located within the basement that provide all of the irrigation for the communal landscaping. Living in an apartment should enhance rather than compromise your amenity. Understanding how these shared spaces and communal amenity spaces contribute to an apartment building and how they link our dwellings together. As architects, we have the ability to create these platforms for strong, robust communities.
Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.